guys, and welcome back to my channel. For people who know me and people who don't know me, hi, my name is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup. So some days back I posted a poll on my Instagram saying that I'm going to be making this video that Instagram followers control my makeup. I put up some polls on my Instagram story and you guys voted for this or that. So this is the look which I created by that poll. So if you want to know how I created this, keep on watching till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it will mean a world to me.
I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself, but then you're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more.
So the first poll which I posted on my Instagram was base. So for base I put it the full foundation and no foundation. So the full foundation won by 57%. So I'm gonna be doing full foundation today. So firstly I'm gonna be using sunscreen. So for that I'm gonna be using this Nandini's sunscreen. This is in the 30 SPF. I'm gonna be taking a little amount on my palm and then just applying all over my face. So for foundation I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'll leave all the links in the description box if I found them. So I've took the foundation in my palm and this is the foundation blending brush. I'm going to be using this for blending my foundation. So I'm just going to tap my foundation in my face.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So next I'm going to be concealing my under eyes and forehead and everything. So for that I'm going to be using this. From this I'm going to be using this shade. So I've took this concealer brush to apply my concealer. I'm going to be packing under my eyes. So I'm going to be using this brush to blend my concealer. I'm going to be packing under my eyes. I'm not going to be scrubbing or baking like it. So nextly for baking my under eyes and my face, I'm going to be using this Johnson & Johnson baby powder, and nextly I'm going to be using the same concealer brush to apply it under my eyes. And then next I'm going to be using this powder brush to apply it all over my face. So nextly I'm going to be using blush. So for that I'm going to be using this I Love Matte blusher. I'm going to be using this orangish peach shade. So nextly I'm going to be jumping into my eyebrows. So for that I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. So from that I'm going to be using the dark brown shade. Nextly I'm going to be using this brush. This is an angular brush for applying my eyebrows. Nextly I'm going to be using this spoolie to brush off the excess product which I have applied on my eyebrows. I'm going to be just dusting off the extra products. So for eyeshadows also I have put it a poll on my Instagram. So I have put it colorful eyeshadow and basic eyeshadow, but the both eyeshadows got 50% vote. This is what it looks like. It's 50% vote. So I'm going to be choosing colorful eyeshadow today. For that I'm going to be using this palette. This is the Mask palette. I'm going to be using these colors from this palette only. So for first shade, I'm going to be using the yellow shade which this has. I'm going to pat the yellow shade right in the inner corners of my lid. I'm just going to pat it. I'm not going to spread it. So I have finished applying my yellow shade. Next I'm going to be using orange shade. This is the orange shade I'm going to be using. I finished orange. Next is red color. I'm going to be using this red color which is in this palette. I finished the red shade. I'm going to be using this pink shade for the last eyeshadow color. So I've just put it some powder, loose powder under my eyes so that there's nothing fall out in my eyes, under my eyes. So I'm going to be doing the same thing under my eyes on the waterline. So I'm going to be doing this off camera and come. So I've finished my eyeshadow. I've also put it a pole for eyeliner. So I have put it a wing eyeliner or a normal eyeliner. So the wing eyeliner won by 60%. So I'm going to be doing wing eyeliner. So I'm going to be using this eyeliner. This is a sketch pen eyeliner. I don't know the brand. I'll find it and leave the link in the description box. I'm going to be making a wing eyeliner. Nextly, I'm going to be using mascara. I'm going to be doing mascara. So for that, I'm going to be using this Lotus Herbs mascara. This is not a waterproof mascara. So nextly, the next step is kajal. So for that, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. So next I have put it also a poll for a lipstick. So I have put it a poll for nude lipstick and bold lipstick. So the bold lipstick is of 31% and nude lipstick, oh no, nude lipstick is for 69%. So I'm going to be using today the nude lipstick. So for that I have this NY base lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick. This is in the shade Peppy Persian 1. I'm going to be using this for my nude lipstick. So I finished my makeup. I'm quickly gonna change and come back to you. So this is how it turned out. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do follow me on my Instagram. I'll be making the 9 days series of Navratri, the different colors eyeshadow. I'm going to be making that. So yeah, do follow me on my Instagram. Bye.